You may be asking yourself, what is going on there? Well, give me a minute or two and you can find out. It is Thursday, the 8th of August 2024. My name is James. A very warm welcome to the Asia channel. Today we are talking about China. I know some people are interested in Cambodia and say, why don't you do separate channels? It's not as easy as you think to get the subscription, to get the monetization. Hence, this is why I just call it the Asia Show. I will be doing some more videos about Thailand and Cambodia toward the end of the month. And if I do find, or I get out of my home with a camera, then I will be shooting some for you. So, China is suffering a heat wave at the moment in some places, and some people can't afford the electric, or if they have electric, so they go to the department store and Ikea, and they just, well, use the furniture. While in other parts of China it is still flooding. We will show the forecast related to the rain. There's not much, but it is still happening. One a couple of days ago was in a tourist attraction called Thai Mountain, where you can walk up the steps. It's like 7,000 steps to get to it. Those steps are now flooded. So as it's nice and warm and maybe you got no electricity in the house, it's a great time to go to the beach, even though it is very, very hot indeed. And here are some captions by CCTV about the summer vacation 2024 in China. But I wouldn't go to the beach, because after a busy day at the beach, yeah, it is quite messy. And this is what the beach cleaners would actually do with your garbage, taken just on a normal cell phone, caught in the action. Bad cleaners. But we do have some exclusive footage of what the CCP does behind closed doors. Let's have a look. Personally, I think the pandas could do a far better job than the political party in China at the moment. And as we've covered quite extensively in this channel over the last month or so, we have had the floods, we've had the storms, we've had the hurricanes, the typhoon, we've had the heat wave. Let me just show you how some of the CCTV, Chinese Central Television, and their outlets and their news media report this. Mainly it's about the people who rescue the people who've been caught in these unfortunate circumstances. You may be asking, hey, what is the weather like? Never fear, I do have like 30, well, even less than that, 21 seconds of the next coming days. I only have the rain, I don't have the heat for you at the moment, but I will show you the levels in about 20 seconds of the Three Gorges Dam. So, what are the levels? Nothing spectacular, not much rain in that area, not much rain on the upstream of the Yangtze River. You can see here it's down to 157, or it's stationary at that level. Remember, the maximum level before it gets serious is 175 meters. Inflow, there isn't one, and the outflow is 20,900. So I could guess maybe 1 or 2 free sluice gates are open, if that. It's the floods for now have subsided. It's the after effect of the floods, and now they have the heat wave. That brings us to a close again on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024. If you have got this far, please do shine a rainbow there so we know how many people do get to the very end in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe would be ideal. It's all free of charge and it really helps the channel. And if you want to help me with my holiday at the end of August this month, then please drop some donations in the description, in the link in the description below. I always get that wrong way around. Mainly, it's just the extra support for my kitties. I have 2 kitty cats, if you don't know that already. God bless you all. Thank you very much for your time. Have an epic day wherever you are. Cheerio for now. Ta-ta.